Hi, my name is Desiree, and today I'm going to show you how to install your front wheel on your Zoom360 Ultralight stroller. So when you first get it out of the box, it's going to come with the front wheel, and the axle is going to be on that front wheel. So you're just going to take this little cap off. Also, you're going to want to put your stroller back on onto the handlebar. That way you have the fork up close to you. I've also locked the front fork. There's a tab underneath here. That way it doesn't swivel around on you. So if you lock it, it'll stay still on you. It makes it a lot easier to get this on. So we're going to pull the axle off of this. Now when you first get it, the axle or the fork is going to be wide enough to where you can slide it in. We've already installed the front wheel once on the stroller already, so it's going to be a little bit different. But you're going to want to hold it and line up the threaded part of the wheel into each hole. And then we're just going to slide the axle through. And then you're going to use your cap and start to thread it on. So then you're going to use this lever side. I'm going to tighten it down with the lever side. And as I'm doing it, I'm paying attention to these threaded parts and these little bolts, I guess, right here. The goal is to get the threaded part to kind of disappear. So we're going to tighten it down just enough so where you start to feel a little bit of resistance. Then when you lock this lever, you're going to want it flush with this fork right here. So when you lock it, you're going to want a good bit of resistance. And what that's going to do is pull this fork in tight enough so there aren't any gaps from the outside of the front wheel little bolts here and the inside of the fork. So I'm going to tighten that all the way down to the fork. Make sure everything looks good. And that's how you install your front wheel.